To access all the features, convenience, and comfort of your new vehicle, it just takes one little thing: the key. 20 million car or house keys are lost every year. 4 million people are locked out of their vehicles every year. And their replacement cost or key fob repair can range from $250 to $1,000. That's why at Clawson Honda and Clawson Truck Center, we offer the Pinnacle Key Plus program. With Key Plus, if you misplaced your keys, it is easier than ever to find them with Tile Technology, a tiny Bluetooth tracker. It comes with an easy-to-use app that allows you to find your keys in seconds. If your key or fob are permanently lost, stolen, or simply quits working, our Key Plus program will pay for a replacement key, fob, and tile up to $1,000 per incident or remote. The Pinnacle Key Plus program also includes up to $1,000 per year in additional benefits, including 24/7 roadside assistance, coverage of other lost keys, alternative transportation, and trip interruption coverage. We've got your keys covered, and we can keep you safer on the road with Red Alert. With the increase in driver distractions, cell phones, children, pets, text messaging, GPS screens, one extra second of warning would prevent nearly 90% of rear-end collisions. Getting the attention of the drivers behind you is more important than ever. When split seconds count on Red Alert. Red Alert, the rear-end deterrent alert, protects you and your passengers from a rear-end collision. When you apply the brake, it causes the center brake light to emit 4 powerful half-second pulses, grabbing the attention of distracted drivers. So include Pinnacle Key Plus and Red Alert with your new vehicle to protect your investment and the ones you love.